loves my company.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, for your official introductions, this bout, one fall, no count out, no disqualification, balls count anywhere in the building. With the bell rings of in charge of the action, Mr. Jesse Logan. Introducing first, to my right, fighting out of Atlantic City, New Jersey, official weight 238 pounds, he is the Bulldozer. New Jersey, official weight 281 pounds. Please welcome the hardcore original, the hardcore fair playing freak. This is Balls Mahoney.
And here we go, that's the bell. The Bulldozer match, Tremont, Balls Mahoney, the match that they said would never happen. 2 years in the making. Scumbag companies that have gone out of business, MJ.
Scumbag companies.
We've seen the scumbag nation, scumbag companies, people that close down shop, you can't get your money back at the point of sale. It's finally happening here at On Point Wrestling, MJ.
And I'm psyched.
Oh, the lockup. Looks like Tremont gets the upper hand. Gets him back in the corner. And a clean break from Matt Tremont there. Maybe a show of respect.
You know, after a situation we saw at the conclusion of our last event, I thought I was getting right in the middle of the line of fire here. I thought these two were just going to, you know, forget introductions, forget the bell, just go head on. But I guess these two have more respect for each other than I thought.
Well, I think Matt Tremont has a certain respect for ECW and the legacy contained therein. And of course, Balls Mahoney, during the hot period of ECW, was #1 in that company.
Oh, for sure.
He and Axel Rotten, the chair swinging freaks.
Was in the main event of Anarchy Rules 1999.
Oh!
Up against Rob Van Dam.
Balls may have had his clock clean there. Gets a second shot. And now. Oh, Tremont blocked it.
Tremont studied his tapes. He knows.
He knew it.
He knows the whole MO of Balls Mahoney.
And now they're going to go through the crowd, it looks like. Oh, and we'll keep them away from here. Could you go over and talk to, oh my goodness.
Cold, refreshing beverage to the face of Matt Tremont. I'll tell you what, I could use one of those. It is hot in this building, let me tell you.
He got jabbed right in the throat. Not sure what he used, what contraption, what manner of torture he used. Oh! Big hammering fist right to the back. Yeah.
You know, I hope the fans in attendance here at the OTW Arena take heed to the warning that I gave them before this match got started. If these guys come your way, you're going to want to get the hell out of Dodge and quickly.
Well, I think so too, MLJ. I think they have some of Hogan's contraptions of torture. Look like a 2x4. All right, they're going out the back, Emil.
Well, that's the back for us, but the front for the paying fans.
Oh, he just got slammed on the table. It looks like...
Trying to get a vantage point here, Dean.
I can't see either, MLJ.
Oh, they're coming back this way. Or not this way, but towards the ring.
They're coming back some way, Emil. He has another tasty beverage.
No, he's got condiments in his hand.
No, not condiments. Oh!
Ketchup and mustard all over the place. The ring looking like Hulk Hogan's spin art.
That's a good one. I appreciated that. I did. Try the veal. MLJ will be here all week, ladies and gentlemen.
Try the veal.
And now. Oh. Balls Mahoney. He's going for a figure 4, MLJ. A figure 4 on the floor. He got it.
Well, hey, falls down anywhere. If Matt Tremont gives it up here. Well, you know, these fans are right. Balls Mahoney in his youth was actually an accomplished amateur collegiate style wrestler.
His initial
he can get it done on the mat.
Well, his initial training was done at the Monster Factory during the time of Bam Bam Bigelow and those right after Bam Bam Bigelow. So he does have the pedigree. It's just most people know him for
swinging chairs and
well, speaking of swinging chairs, my God. That could do it. I know Matt Tremont, after the Carnage Cup, or the King of the Death Matches a few weeks ago, was having trouble with his knees, for God's sakes.
Yeah.
Balls Mahoney must have known.
Wait a second. Matt Tremont just said they're going outside.
It looks like the fans are, too. This isn't a great marketing idea. You got the fans on the inside. Keep them here, Emil.
Well, I mean, to be fair, they already got their money, so...
That's true, too. No, thank God.
We got air. Bulldozer.
Best chant of the night. Best chant of the night.
Us. Yeah.
Clean that.
Not the ring.
Backyard wrestling.
Clean that. Cover. Backyard.
Where's the ref?
1, 2, 2.
I thought it was false count in the building.
Ball count anywhere we want it to. OPW. Use John's weapon. Use my weapon. Use my weapon. Use my weapon. No. Stay outside. Stay outside. Stay outside. Who two? Who two? Get him, lad. Come on, ref. 1, 2, 2. Come on, OPW. Chicken! Oh! More wire! John's weapon! John's weapon! Don't! Oh! Jesus! Right in the No! Power driver! Yeah! Power driver! Boom! Yeah! I say. As much as I like
might continue in here, there's a ring in there, it'll mean more.
One more time. Stay outside. Stay outside. Stay outside. Stay outside.
Get it, man. Hey, Jay. Unfortunately, I'm gonna pin you in.
Captain Dave from Captain Dave's Wrestling Reporting has told me, looks like Matt Tremont had the upper hand, at least initially coming through the door. But now, MLJ, I'll tell you what, they are back in the door. We are ready. You know, typically I say everybody has a first row seat. Well, I guess the people that couldn't get in the door tonight, because we turned away hundreds, the people that couldn't get in the doors, they had a front row seat here tonight at On Point Wrestling in beautiful Williamstown, New Jersey. And now, Balls Mahoney is grabbing plunder, for God's sakes. I'm bringing it back. That's right. You can go to,
Keyboard straight to the noggin.
You can go to HICTalkRadio.com with that keyboard. My God, MLJ.
Chill.
Oh, no.
I was just on that website last night.
And Balls thought he did enough with the keyboard. This is the main event, right, Emma?
This is the first of 2 main events for this evening.
God, we got more.
We got more. We got 3 more matches.
But Balls Mahoney has the upper hand right now. Matt Tremont in a bad way. Oh, what is that?
Looks like a bat wrapped in chain link fence or chicken wire.
It's chicken wire, for God's sakes. Who wraps a bat in chicken wire? Oh! Who gets the better of that, Emil? Very unorthodox.
Matt Tremont using his namesake, trying to bulldoze his way through that chicken wire bat right through the cranium of Balls Mahoney.
A chicken wire bat. I've seen it all. Only a 2. Well, John thinks this is awesome. Thank you, John. You are one of our top On Point Wrestling fans now.
Apparently there's an internal server error with onpointwrestling.webs.com.
That was a 400 error. The 404 page not found. Right.
Well, he found it with that street sign.
Oh no. Are we going to see the bullfrog splash, Emil? I think we will. Up to the top rope. Bullfrog splash.
Oh, he got him.
Ladies and gentlemen, the winner of this bout, the Bulldozer, Matt Tremont.
We have seen Matt Tremont go through wars here in On Point Wrestling. He has wrestled Scott Summers. He has wrestled Low Life Louie Ramos and many, many more. Now he has finally met Balls Mahoney, ECW legend, and he has come away as the victor. Another Titanic win for the Bulldozer Matt Tremont. He wants a microphone. MLJ is going to comply. Let's see what Matt Tremont has to say, the Bulldozer.
Real quick, to each and every one of you that are here this evening, that followed us from Sports and More to the Old Time Wrestling Arena. From the bottom of my heart and that locker room, thank you to every one of you. Balls Mahoney, a guy that has been doing this style and genre of this great sport for a long time. A guy that guys like me want to emulate and be just like. But you see, Balls, me and you had a grievance for a company. Well, they couldn't get the job done on numerous occasions, but All Point Wrestling delivered and gave you Tremont and gave you Balls Mahoney.
Wasn't just OPW, it was you and it was me wanting to give these people their money's worth after getting screwed over by some scumbag who thought he was promoted. 2012, we've been told we were gonna fucking dance.
One curse word.
Hey, don't speak your own here too, I'm in trouble. Thank you.
A mutual show of respect from one era of hardcore to another. Balls Mahoney, Matt Tremont.